up! It's snowing!
What? Really?
It's all white! No way! Dad! Dad! It's a snowstorm! Oh, wow!
Already?
School must be closed.
Please check.
Let's see.
School is canceled.
Yay! Woohoo!
Calm down.
Best day ever!
Snow day. We're free. Can we go outside? After breakfast. With marshmallows?
Of course.
Slow down.
Too much energy.
Where are mine? I lost my hat.
Check inside.
Found one. That's mine.
There.
Thanks. Thanks.
Everyone ready?
Ready! Be careful.
No window snowballs.
Ah! Wow! It's deep.
Cold.
Up to my knees. Race you!
Race you!
You okay? It's soft. I'll start.
Push.
It's heavy. Harder.
You two are doing great. Keep pushing.
Teamwork.
Thanks. Thanks.
Lift.
Careful.
Almost there. Push up.
Ready?
Yes. Perfect. Carrot time. Push it. Straighten it.
Right.
Scarf.
Stylish. What's his name?
Mr. Frosty. Snowy Bob.
Frosty Bob?
Yes! He's perfect!
Huge.
Family photo.
Snow angels! Don't jump on me.
Jump on me.
Sorry. Mine looks weird.
Nice chicken.
Battle time! You're going down!
Missed.
Hey! my back. Here I come! You made a crater!
Looks like the snow won that round.
I surrender.
Yeah!
We win! Already? My fingers. Freezing.
Warm up!
Take boots off.
Mine too. Chocolate? With marshmallows. Yes.
Snow days are special.
Clean this. Oops. Jake. I'm okay. Look outside. Frosty Bob. His head.
The wind did it.
Oh!
Oh!
Poor Bob. We fix him.
Too dark.
Tomorrow. Bigger.
That's spirit. Ooh.
Best day.
Even disasters.
That's memories.
Dinner time. Starving. Soup? Warm chicken soup.
Snow makes you hungry.
Today was amazing. Yay! Even his accident. Bedtime.
Wow, but Mom, 5 more minutes.
I love snow days.
Maybe tomorrow, too.
If it keeps snowing. Please, snow. Good night, Bob.
Good night, snow monsters.
Good night, heroes.
Best day ever! Wow, look at those moves!
You two are doing amazing out there.
And the gold medal goes to Jake.
Need some help up there, champ?
Whee! This is fun!
Whoa! Ta-da!
You two are hilarious.
Who wants to catch a snowflake on their tongue?
Me! I'm gonna get one!
Look, I got it.
Look at my silly dance!
Very funny, sweetie.
You have some moves there, buddy. Look at the snow. Isn't it beautiful? The very last snowfall of the year.